Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm a little bit dressed up and nowhere to go. I wanted to do something fun today, just for a little bit of quarantine get through, so we can get through this together. I got a little bit dressed up, did a bit of a photo shoot with nowhere to go, just in my bedroom. So if you want to see this look, then just keep watching. Today I really want to be using the Mercury Renegade palette by Huda Beauty. I've had this for a little while now. I was going to do a full-blown video on this, like a review and a look all in itself for this, but I didn't end up doing it because I just sort of wanted to play around with it, and I just had a few things going on at that point in time. But I really want to use this today because I've used it a couple of times, but I haven't really dove into it fully to create a look. So I really want this video to be about this palette in particular. Got it from Sephora in Australia online. I think it's $115, which is a bit pricey. All the other ones are like, they fluctuate in price, but I think they're like $99 for the most of them. So this one's a little bit more expensive. It is a bit different. I'll just show you it now. So it's beautiful, holographic, this beautiful sort of alien bubble that she's in. And it is plastic. The other ones are sort of more cardboard. Lifts up like so. Got a beautiful big mirror, and there's the colors there. Absolutely stunning. It is full plastic, as like I said, the other ones are sort of cardboard, where this one's plastic. But just the beautiful colors that it's got in there, the beautiful shimmer shades, the beautiful mattes. I just love it. So hopefully we can use this one in full today. So as usual, prime my eyes. I'm using the Urban Decay Original Primer Potion just to prime my eyes. How are we all feeling, by the way? Are we all coping? Are we all coping? This is why I'm doing this today, because I've just literally reached my peak in boredom, and I'm like, I want to play with makeup, but I should probably make, you know, I want to do a video for you guys too, so we can be boredom together. Just to set my lids a little bit, just in the creases, to help it blend a bit. I'm just using the Too Faced Born This Way powder, transition powder neutral, just to set that a little bit. And I'm using this brush from Morphe. I really, really love it. It's just the Morphe M330 brush. It's a beautiful sort of tapered blending brush, and I love it for the crease. And I'm focusing more this in the crease, not so much the lid, because I want the lid to have a lot of colour. I'm still going to do it like maybe a cut crease kind of vibe. I just want to set around the crease to make it blend a lot easier. Okay, so now that that's set, I'm going to be starting to go in with my shadow sort of in the crease, build it up. I really want to sort of do a pinkish purpley neutral look. I have an idea for an outfit that I'm going to wear, which you guys already see in the beginning, but I really want to make it that, like, you know, getting all glammed up and nowhere to go, like hence the title. But I need to sort of colour coordinate with that dress, because otherwise it's going to look a bit silly if I go with like a blue eye and I wear a pink dress. So, and that's a good tip as well, guys. You got to sort of match your shadow with your dress or your outfit. Like, you know, it sort of all comes into one. So like, yeah, if you have a pink dress and you go with a blue eye, it's going to take away from the dress. You want to focus your makeup and your dress or the outfit together, so they sort of blend together, they look really put together, and you look bomb AF. Just a little tip. I'm not a good fashionista person, so I'm not going with tips there, but colour coordination, I'm all about that life. I'm just taking the Zoeva 231 Luxe Petite Crease Brush. This is my favourite brush. I've got quite a few of these in different sort of colours, but this, I won't repeat the brush all the time, but this is basically my brush I use for every eyeshadow, basically. I just love it. So to start off with, we're best going light and then dark. So to start off, I'm going to be going in with Off Balance, which is this pink right here. I'm just going to be taking my brush and sort of swirling it around at an angle in the product, and then dust off the excess because you don't want to be packing all that shadow in one area. You want it to disperse evenly. Now I'm going to be going in with the shade Calmer, which it looks quite pink on here, but it's kind of quite a darker nude brown shade. We're going just above the colour that we were just doing. So now to sort of go back in with the crease and the sort of outer lid to darken it up a bit and just in the crease a bit. I'm just going to be going in with Hot Mess, which is this darker sort of pinky mauve right here. Now we're going to be taking that pink Libra shade, which is right here, which is a very pale pastel pink, and then I'm going to be topping that off with that on top, just to give it a sort of nice base to go on. This one I'm just using a packing motion, not so much blending, because we just want that colour there to pop that shimmer on top. Now that's looking really good, just before I put on that sparkle, I probably don't need to, but I want to just use a glitter glue, even though it's not a glitter, but I just feel like the stickiness is going to pick up that shadow a lot better. So I'm using the Too Faced glitter glue. I'm just going to be squeezing a small amount onto my finger and then pack it straight onto that pink lid. I'm going in with the shade Supernova just on the tip of my finger. Oh, that is beautiful. I'm just going to be going straight on. Just going on the inner corners, just back over, I'm going to be going in with Cosmic, which is this light, very light, sort of icy pink shade. Then I'm just taking the shade Crush, which is just there, which is a light neutral shade, and I'm just going to be going on the lower lash line. I just want to darken up my crease just a little bit more, so I'm just going to be going in with Hot Mess and Vortex and sort of mixing those just to create a bit of a darker shade. And just taking one of the other brushes with the lighter colour on it, I'm just going to be blending it out. I love this highlight from Becca. It's absolutely stunning. It's a beautiful sort of pink lilac shade. It does have dimensions in it, but because I've used it so much. But it's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed in Prismatic Amethyst. Absolutely beautiful. I'm just going to be going on the brow bone with that one. I'm using the Benefit Brow Styler in the shade 3. It's got a wax pencil at the top, and you unscrew this and it's got a little pencil powder. I need 24-hour brow setter by Benefit to set my brows. And then just combing it through with the spoolie. Just sort of prime my face. I'm going to be going in with the Morphe x Jeffree Star setting spray, but I like it as a primer as well. I think it works really nice. It's so light and it's just a beautiful, like, just continuous mist, and it smells like strawberries. It's so yummy. I'm going to be using my Beauty Blender and the Marc Jacobs foundation in Ivory. I just really hate how messy this foundation is. It's the only thing that sucks about it. Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick to contour. Alright, now to do liquid highlight before we set with powder, I'm using the Cover FX Enhanced Drops in the shade Celestial. It has a dropper, but you really don't need it. Here it is here. Sorry, it's a bit messy. It's got a dropper, but like, you could literally just take like a dab of that and just dab, and you don't even need a squeeze. Now I'm going to be setting my face with the Hourglass Veil Translucent Powder. I like to sort of bake just under my under eyes and just set those places. So I just get a bit on my Beauty Blender. Now just taking a fluffy brush and setting the rest of my face in powder. Now for bronzer, I'm just going to be using the Marc Jacobs Tantastic Omega bronzer. I just love this because it's not too warm, but it's just a beautiful bronzing shade. Highlight, I'm going with another Becca highlighter. It's like a blush slash highlight. It's absolutely beautiful. Again, the dimensions. It's the Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector pressed in Lilac Geode. Now to finish off the face, I'm going back in with that Jeffree Star Morphe setting spray. I do liquid liner, but I'm just going to be doing mascara today for this look. So it's just the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. I've just got the mini version. I'm just using the MAC Boldy Bear lip pencil. And I'm going in with the Pat McGrath Blitz Trance lipsticks in the shade Fuchsia Perfect. And that's the end of my dressed up and nowhere to go kind of look. Again, absolutely love this palette. I love how the look turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I just wanted to sit down and film a video. It's been so long. I've done a few vlogs, which I love. Those are probably my favorite just because I love going out camping and for driving, and I just love videoing our adventures. Like, I just love making videos. But I hope you guys are staying safe, staying home, saving lives, all that kind of stuff. We will get through this, honestly we will. It's just unsure when, but if we do the right things and follow the rules and just use common sense, then honestly we will get through it. I know we will. It just sucks right now because you can't go anywhere, you can't do anything, you can't see friends. You know, working from home a couple of days a week, like it sucks. It's a hard reality to like accept and come to know, like especially all the shops being closed apart from, you know, pharmacies and all those kinds of things. And thank you so much to all nurses and doctors out there just doing their best, and all the essential workers in the supermarkets and pharmacies, and just thank you guys so much, because life wouldn't be able to function if it wasn't for you guys. So thank you. Please give me a big thumbs up if you liked this video, and subscribe down below and click the bell. I really appreciate all the subscribers. I'm over at 200 now, which is just awesome. It seems so small, but to me it means so much. So thank you for your support, and yeah, I just it makes me so happy. Please take care of yourselves, and I hope to see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.